How many languages do you speak in India?
I can speak 5 languages.
You speak 5 languages. Wow, that's
Yes.
terrific.
I was not able to join. That's why it took some time. I joined from some other device.
Ye- Yeah, so now are you using your cell phone or your laptop?
I'm joined from laptop.
From laptop. Uh-huh. Um, I thought I booked this lesson a little bit early. So I told myself maybe she will not come because she's not prepared for this session, you know. So I told myself she will not come today.
Good that you were waiting. Otherwise, you would have missed the session.
Yeah, I
Very
had I had to wait.
correct. All right. So, what's your good name? I cannot see your name anywhere.
Yeah, my name is Ahmed, and I am from Iraq. And
You're
you?
from Iraq.
Yeah, from Iraq.
Okay, all right. So, currently, are you in Iraq?
Yeah, I'm in Iraq, and I live in the capital of Iraq.
Okay, all right, all right. Okay, Ahmed, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah, my name is Ahmed.
Ahmed. Okay. I will say it as Ahmed. It's like how we pronounce the name. So I'm from India and
Yeah,
I'm from the southern part of India, a state named Kerala.
Kerala.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
And though I'm from Kerala, but currently I'm settled in Hyderabad.
Sorry,
Okay.
I got a cold, so that's why I couldn't hear you.
Okay. Okay. All right. Am I audible now?
No, no, no. Everything is okay. Keep going.
Okay, so I said, though I'm from Kerala, I'm settled
Yeah.
in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a city in the state named Telangana. Okay, that's another state. So I'm not
Okay.
residing at my hometown, but I'm somewhere else.
Actually, I like when you go wide to explain because I want to know more about India. You know, I have heard about Kerala. I have heard about Mumbai.
Hmm.
Those like famous cities in
Yes, yes,
India, and I'm not sure. Just correct me if I'm mistaken. Kolkata, is it in
yes,
Bangladesh
yes.
or India?
It's in India. It's in India.
It's
Before
in the
independence,
Indian city.
yes, it is in India. Kolkata is in India. Yes. It's a city, yes, it's a state in India. Kolkata is
Yeah,
also part of India. Yes, there are several beautiful states in India, and India as such is a very beautiful country with a lot of rich heritage and culture. It's very
yeah.
unique, You will, if you visit India, um, maybe it will take years and years for you to actually explore the entire country.
Wow. Yeah, because
Yes.
it's a really big country.
Yes, it's big. Its population is huge. And region to region, the culture, the language, everything changes.
It's a huge, yeah. So how many languages do you speak in India?
I can speak 5 languages.
You speak 5 languages. Wow, that's terrific.
Yes. I speak Hindi. I speak my own mother tongue, which is called as Malayalam. And then I know Telugu. That's again a mother tongue of Telangana state where I'm residing right now. And
Yes.
also, there is another language called Tamil, which is spoken by the people of Tamil Nadu. Again, a southern part of India, a state in the southern part of India. Okay. Yes.
So
So,
those 5 languages, uh, do these 5 languages similar with the alphabet? Do they have like the
no,
same
no, no, no,
alphabet
no.
or totally
They,
different?
they do have alphabets, but it's totally different. I can only speak. I cannot write other languages than my own mother tongue and Hindi.
And the other languages, you just like speak with it, not like writing.
Yes. No, no, no. I don't write. Yes. I can only speak. That is also because there is no uh, it is not necessary for us to learn it by writing. If you are able to
Yeah,
speak and communicate, it is enough for you. Because we usually there are two common languages. One is English and another one is Hindi. So people almost everywhere in India, they know how to speak Hindi. So Hindi is something that you should know writing as well as reading. Other languages, it's if you know how to speak, that will be enough. But of course, it depends upon the person also. If you are interested, you can learn how to read and write the language. It's always good for you if you can.
yeah, it depends on the person. If
Yes,
like he
if he
want
is
to
interested.
improve himself, they would like learn more than a language, uh, to get a better job, to get a better skills in every fields of life.
Exactly. That's right. That's right.
So
All
I
right.
have a question. I have a question for you.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
How could you manage that? Like learn five language with different alphabets. It's really
Mm-hmm.
hard. How could you like manage that and learn these languages?
It all depends upon your exposure and with how much you are exposed to the language. Now, I'm living in a state where people speak that language. So obviously, I'll also start learning the language, right? Necessity is the mother of invention. So when
Yeah.
I have a necessity, I will start learning it.
So you
That's
need
right.
you need to speak with this language. It's not like a hobby. You need
If
to
you,
use this language, these
oh
languages.
no, 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 learning languages definitely I like, but I won't say it's a hobby of mine. No.
Uh-huh.
Yes, it's just that out of what you say, it is necessary when you speak to the localites, they don't know Hindi or they don't know English. They know only their own mother tongue. To communicate with them, we should know this language. So that's how I learned. And I'm not perfect. I am not perfect. Let me tell you, I'm only perfect with my own mother tongue, Hindi and English. The other two languages, I can manage speaking. That's it.
Yeah, at least you can like communicate, like have
Yes,
a
yes. I can
conversation or a
convey my
small talk.
thoughts. Yes, I'll be able to understand them completely.
Yeah.
100% I can understand what the other person is telling in that language. But when it comes to speaking, I'm not fluent in those languages, those two languages. The other three languages, it's fine.
Yeah. Wow, this is very actually. I found this new stuff interesting for me. I have a
Yeah,
question for you, if you don't mind. It's
yeah,
all
sure.
about like Indian culture. So what I
Mhm.
learned that a married woman uh, has a, like a red point on her forehead.
Yes.
Um, okay, is it like you guys put a makeup, or do you
Mm,
use like
no,
something special for
it is
this?
called as bindi. Okay, bindi. It's a bindi. It's a small spot sort of a thing. You put it on your forehead. It is called as bindi in
It's called
Hindi.
bindi.
Yes, it is called as bindi. Yes, it is not part of the makeup. It is part of the tradition, and it is also there are several stories behind it. One story is that it is believed that we have all the knowledge here. Okay, some
Yeah.
our knowledge is yes, it is over here on this some particular point. So if you put a bindi over here, it is told that your there will not be any what do you say depreciation of your knowledge. How far it is true,
Exactly,
I don't know.
because here's your brain. So here's the center of your knowledge.
Yeah, yeah. You know, India is also a country wherein if you go to the countryside, okay,
Yeah.
there will be a lot of people who believe in idol worshipping, who believe in some, what do you say, orthodoxical point of views. Okay,
Yeah.
many things are there. Many things are there. So it's a culmination of rationality and orthodox mentality.
Yes.
People
So
believe in
not
superstitious things, which is
yeah,
actually not, yeah.
not exist nowadays.
Yeah, it doesn't. But still people are following, you know, even if you are educated, still people would
Yeah.
like to follow it.
Exactly, because you know you learn from your like parents, you know.
Hmm.
So it's like become a habit for you. You used to hear from your parents this stuff. So
Yeah,
yeah, the question is, um, do only the women put that bandi, right? You
Bindi.
said
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
bandi. Do just only the women do,
Some
or
men,
the
uh,
men
men
also
also
do
puts it, but they don't put a round one, but they do it. It just goes straight. So
in the center
there
of
are.
the forehead?
Hmm. Yes, yes, it goes over the forehead, and
Yeah,
only some sects. Okay, you understand, right? SECTS
yeah,
sects.
yeah,
Some
yeah.
sects of people do that custom. I mean, that's part of their tradition. Maybe while doing the puja, that means worshipping any particular god. They do this. They apply that tika. It is called as tika. Tika.
Tikka.
Hmm.
Wow.
Yep.
So it has many names also, and it has many traditions, right?
Yes, yes, so much to know. That's why I told you for exploration, it would take you years and years. And the still people in India itself, people who are living in India, they haven't explored India. Yes.
Exactly. Yeah. So another question: what if like the woman got like divorced? She will like remove this band, right?
Yeah, they are being told like that. You shouldn't put bindi if you're a widow or if you are divorced. You're not supposed to put the bindi. You're not supposed to wear bangles. Indian girls, they like wearing bangles as well. But I'm telling you, it depends from person to person. Okay. Now, I am a person who doesn't like any of these things. So it is just
Yeah.
completely up to you if you want to follow the traditions or in our culture, we don't follow all these things. It depends upon the girl. If
Yeah.
she wishes to do so, you can. Okay. Otherwise, I'm a Christian basically. So I don't, I wear bangles and all, but occasionally. I don't wear it on a daily basis. But in Hinduism, it is important for married girls to wear bangles. And if their
Sorry,
husband,
to wear what? To wear bangles?
bangles, yeah,
What
bangles.
what do you mean by bangles?
Okay, bangles.
Is
Yeah,
it like
okay.
a dress?
No, it's not a dress. It's a kind of which you wear on. You have this chain, right? And yes, 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 something like that. Yeah. It
Okay.
it will be made of glass or plastic.
Made of glass.
Yes, glass or plastic. It will be round and it will be in different colors.
Hmm.
Those are called as bangles. It also
Fantastic.
has
Yeah.
its own story.